Citronella candles and coils can provide short-term, localized mosquito relief for patios when used correctly. For effective, do-it-yourself Citronella repellent, choose high-quality citronella oil with a minimum of 50% citronella content and add it to soy or beeswax for cleaner burn. Use about 10 to 20 drops per 100 grams of wax and stir gently while cooling to retain fragrance and active compounds. When making wick burning coils at home, use a mold to shape a paste of powdered coconut husk and binder mixed with concentrated citronella oil, press evenly, and dry fully for at least 48 hours to ensure steady smoldering rather than open flame. Position citronella torches and candles downwind from seating areas so the smoke and vapor pass through the space you occupy rather than blowing away, and keep flames low to maximize vapor release without excessive smoke. Combine ambient citronella products with a topical repellent containing DEET or lemon eucalyptus when sitting for long periods, because atmospheric products reduce bites nearby, but do not stop mosquitoes landing on treated skin. Test any homemade formulation in a small outdoor area first to check for irritation or strong smoke, and never leave burning coils or candles unattended or within reach of children and pets. For storage, keep oils in amber glass bottles in a cool, dark place to maintain potency for up to 6 months. Common problems include weak effectiveness when products are placed upwind, which you fix by relocating them so airflow moves from device through the seating zone. Rapid dissipation of scent in breezy conditions, solved by grouping multiple candles or using torches with larger oil reservoirs to create a consistent plume, and irritation from smoke or skin contact, prevented by lowering concentration of oil in candles, ensuring coils smolder rather than flare, and keeping ambient products at a safe distance from people and fabrics. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and resources related to outdoor pest control, and we host a discussion community where people share tips and experiences about DIY citronella methods. We connect contractors seeking work with homeowners looking for help, and our community provides real-world feedback on what works on patios.